I think today morning, Kishore, today morning, I think someone is
Yes,
trying
sir.
to, again, I will go with a small introduction. Let's wait. Here we are learning Terraform state, right? On every interview, they are touching Terraform state. Terra, Terraform.tf state. What is the use of this file? I said already today morning, when this file will create, anyone respond? After applying which command this file will be created, please respond. After applying which command this file will be created.
Terraform
Terraform,
apply.
Terraform, apply.
Apply.
Terraform, apply. Okay, you apply Terraform, apply. Generally, leave this one. Suppose if I use Terraform, apply, what happens? In this way, try to understand and try to interact with me. If I apply Terraform, apply, what happens internally? Creates an actual resource in the cloud. CLOU. Got it all. Creating ACTUAL. Actual ACTUAL. Actual resources in the cloud. Whatever the resource you are creating, that resources are creating where? In the cloud. That cloud information, cloud having that resources, right? That information is available within terraform.tf state. I hope you got it all. Generally, this file where it will create, generally this file where it will create within the local system. That's why we're calling state file, local state file. Second one is remote state file. Now try to give me the answer. Local state file where it will create. Anyone respond? Local state file where it will create within your computer. Within your computer. Got it or not? Within your computer. That's why we're calling local system. Remote state file where it will create. Anyone can try to answer it. Remote state file where it will create.
Cloud. Yeah, yes,
Cloud.
got it.
Within the S3
Okay.
bucket. Within the S3 bucket. See, our remote state file, if you want to store it, which block we may use? Which block we need to use? The block name is Terraform block, Terraform block. Within that, we need to use the backend block. BACK backend. What is the name of that? What is the name of that? Yes, sir. I hope you got the clarity. I hope you got the clarity. This is the very important syntax. On which block where we may apply backend within Terraform block only it will work. Otherwise, it won't work. Is the block name? This is what S3 is the resource. S3 is the just resource. This is the block name. This is the block type. This is the name of the resource. Is it clear for you? Within backend, what are the arguments we applied? Anyone guess it? Three arguments we passed. Anyone can guess it? First one is first one is bucket name. Bucket is equal. What is the second argument? Second argument, key is equal. Key is equal to what? Path. Path. What is the third argument? Third argument, REGO. Region is equal. Region is equal. Till now, we understood today morning. Is it clear for you or not? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Clear. But small problem is there. What is the problem? I'll try to clarify. What is the problem? I'll try to clarify. Generally, where it is saved, this file, try to see the path, try to see the path. Now I'll try to create a resource here. Terraform. Terraform, init, it. I think everybody know it. Terraform init. Initialize. If I try to Terraform apply APPL, it may ask confirmation, right? Now I won't give yes, but check it here. Is it asking confirmation or not? Terraform apply. I applied. See, do you want to perform these actions? Only yes will be accepted. Oh, till now clear, right? Till now clear. See, this state information according to our coding standards, where it will store, you can easily understand. Go to variable, go to providers, their versions is there, right? They given like that. Versions. There, check it here. There, check it here. What is the code here is there? See backend S. Backend S3. What I said? Bucket information we are providing. Key path information we are specifying. Region is AP South. Region is AP South. What is the small drawback in this? In the sense, I'm going to paint. Now you applied. This is the Terraform. Terraform. This is the file. Terraform manifest. This is the manifest file. I'm writing like this. Manifest. MENI manifest file we got created. Manifest files maybe like this is there. Leave about multiple files are there. In this way, files are there. Everybody know. Once this manifest file got applied, what it will create? Everybody know. What it will create? Just a state file will be created that is available in backend. That is where in S3 bucket. In S3 bucket. I'll try to show you that. You config here in S3 bucket, it will store. In S3 bucket, it will store it. This is the bucket. Here is also bucket look and feel. Bucket look and feel. Here observe carefully. This is about Terraform state file. This is the Terraform state file. What is the problem here in the sense? There is no locking mechanism. In S3, this is the S3. This is the S3. In S3, which mechanism is not there? No locking mechanism. No locking mechanism. No lock. If there is no locking mechanism, what is the drawback? What is the drawback? Assume you are the admin one. You are the admin. Why I am calling admin? Admin status only generally create the resource. How many admins are there? We'll take two only. We'll take two only. First person applied one command which command Terraform apply. First person Terraform apply he applied. Whenever he applies, it may ask confirmation. Or agree with me? Assume. Confirmation is asking yes. In the same way, if second person is trying, if second person, Terraform apply. Generally, we may get the message is locked, LOCK. Why you may get the message locked? Why you may get the message locked in the sense this resource is trying to create. Once it is completed, then only it will work. This is the general scenario. This is the general. But whereas we are coming to the S3 scenario, even you may apply Terraform apply, yes, sir, it will provision. It will trying to create resource. In the same way, if I apply Terraform apply, overwrite. Overwrite in the sense, here it is running. It leaves. Again, it will start creating. Again, it will start creating. Now, observe and tell me, shall I create only once or shall I create multiple times? Anyone respond? Anyone respond? Here, I want to create one time. I want to create one time. If any other parallelly trying to see, he is also giving same command. He is also giving same command within same time. Same time. Generally, anyone can only uh, create a resource, but here is not like that. Suppose first started here, after 2 seconds it is started, after 3 seconds it is started. On this, it will override. On this, it will override. That is not the good process. That is not the good process. Here, what happens in the sense? What happens in the sense? Simply, we can say parallel execution will happen. P-A-R-A, P-A-R, parallel, P-A-R-A-L-L-E, parallel execution happens. But this is not the good process. This is not the good process. Why? Here only one copy is there. Generally only one copy. Either he may create or he may create. Anyone only will create. At that time, what you may do? You may apply here simple answer. Note I am giving. S3 does not know. This is very, very important. Note S3, S3 don't know. S3 don't know locking mechanism. Locking mechanism. We need to apply locking mechanism. You need to add, you need to create Dynamo DB table. Dynamo, Dynamo DB table. Dynamo DB table. There you can apply LOCK lock key, lock, lock key. How to apply? We'll see now. How to apply? We'll see. Before applying this, two members trying to access. Two members trying to access. It will create or not. It may not create. We'll check it. That is the drawback. How to overcome? We'll see. Here see. Here see. Already asking confirmation. Where it is asking confirmation. I think I already applied, right? Where is that? I think here is there. Now it is waiting for confirmation. In the same way, I may go for path. Where is this is available? This folder where it is available. Right click. I want to get the path. Please respond where it is there. Path where it is there. I may try to open this one. It is also there, right? I want to go with the two shells, two different shells. Parallelly, I want to get it. Now see, I split it. Now check it here. Now check it here. Two two prompts are there, right? Two prompts are there. This is the prompt one. This is the prompt. There are two prompts are there. I'll try to close existing prompts. Prompts. How to close? Kill terminal. Even this one also I am killing terminal. Now how many terminals are there? Only two. In the first terminal, I will go for CLS. Where is the CLS? CLS. Not clearing. Oh, this much of path is there. This much of path is there. Now try to observe. Now what is the first command here? Terraform, Terraform, apply. Enter. Wait here. Here also I may use Terraform apply. Here also I may use Terraform apply. T, enter it. T-R-R-A, Terraform apply, enter. Here is also it is asking confirmation. This is use admin one. This is using admin to Azure. Here I am giving yes. Yes. It is trying to create a resource. Creating or not? Yes, it is creating. Here what I may do? Started right? Here at middle I am giving. At middle I am. Here also what it is saying? What it is saying? Here AWS with the security group, VPC web. This is the in resource. In resource. Here are you getting any error? Auto locking? No. It is trying to create, but already this is existing VPC group, VPC web. This is the security group, right? If already existing, it is not able to create. It is not able to create. If there is no such type of things, automatically it will create. Automatically. Suppose these security groups already there in my system. For that, what I may do? I may try to create only instance. Then you will get the clarity. Generally, you want to create only instance without security groups. Now try to modify this code, small modification. You want to see that thing, right? Where is security groups? I think not necessary this. I may delete. I deleted. Now even variables, even I am not taking variables. Variables. Leave it. Delete this. Even just we go for even shell script also I don't want. Shell script also I don't. Delete for your clarification. This one also not necessary. Delete this. Now output you want it, you can take it, no problem. Instance.tf, here is AMI. Even okay, this is leave it as it is because of latest. Which one you want to get? Data, latest data, that is the AMI ID. Here you go for instance.tf. Now, instance type, directly you can give it. Directly you can give. Now tell me, T2, T2 micro, T2 micro. Now T2 micro. Any other key name? Key name, Terraform key already there. Okay. Next, user data, not necessary. I'm leaving. Even security group IDs. I think I am not taking any security group IDs. Just leave it. Now any additional resource is required. Even this is also not required for creating. I am not connecting, right? We are checking is it creating or not. Now check it. Is it simple, right? We are providing AMI and instance type. AMI and instance type. Even I am deleting terraform.tf state also. Any other is there? Even terraform provider internal it is created. Locking I am deleting. Now even provider I am deleting. Even this one also I am deleting. What it is saying? Delete permanently. What it is asking? Okay, provider, no problem. This one, delete. Yes, this is the simple thing. Even key also I removed, right? I don't want key also. Delete, delete. Now nothing is there. Very simple thing I am having. Now I am applying Terraform in it. Terraform, Terraform, Terraform in. Now somewhere I said right. See here observe. This is having Terraform.tf is the AWS related read. Here Terraform.tf state. It is got created automatically. Here nothing is there. Check it here. Only S3 related information is there. Remaining things where it will store. Remaining things will be stored in S3 bucket according to our scenario. Now here I no need to give. Enter it. Enter it. Here is Terraform. Terraform. Just for your clarification, I am giving here also in it. Actually, no need. Only one time process. You know it. Now here I am applying Terraform. Apply. Terraform app apply. Same procedure here also I am applying Terraform app apply. Is it asking any confirmation or providing an error? What happens here? Not asking anything. VPC Web IDs AWS Security Group. Oh, it is asking security groups. Security groups. Is there any additional information? Instance types. Did I save or not? Save all. Save all. Here instance type. Shall we pass here VPC? VPC security group IDs. Tell me what are the IDs names? What are the IDs names? Anyone? What is the first one? What is the IDs names? ID names. VPC underscore something is there or not? Observing. Where is our instance? Where is our instance? They are going to VPC. Going to VPC. There are two security group names are there. Two security groups names are there. Now tell me here security groups SC. Where is security groups? Now here you check it. Check it in Mumbai. In Mumbai to VPC hyphen SSH. What is the one more one? VPC hyphen web. VPC web. VPC SSH. VPC web, VPC. Double quotation, VPC underscore, I think underscore or hyphen. Underscore or a hyphen. VPC hyphen. VPC hyphen SSH. Another one is VPC, VPC hyphen web. Web. If we are not wrong, it will work. Now control yes, control yes. Now just I think file save are already there. 1 second, I'll try to apply. Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Now asking confirmation. Here also I may go with Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Again it may ask confirmation. Yes, it is asking. Now here what I am doing is I am giving yes. Quickly enter it. It is trying to create. Here also I am giving yes. See, are you getting locking information or not? Observe and tell me anyone. Are you getting someone is creating resource? Are you getting such information? No. He is also creating a resource. He is also creating a resource. Two members parallelly creating a resource. We'll check it what happens. 1 second before he started, after 1 second, he is also started. Both administrators are trying to create a resource. In industry standard, this is not acceptable. This is not acceptable. Now we'll go there. Only instance we are creating, right? Go to EC2. It what happened? First one instance got created. On top of again one more instance got created, but previous one overrides. Previous one overrides. That is not good one. That is not good one. Why that is not good one? Maybe he may change small modifications. Again he may create. That is not a good process. Suppose one started, another one must wait. Another one must wait. For that, we may do small modification. I may try for once it is completed, I may go. Not finished it. Once it is finished, we'll go and apply for a test. Yeah. Interview point is how to avoid parallel execution. How to avoid parallel execution. We need to create DynamoDB table name. DynamoDB table. The table name we need to assign within backend. We need to apply within backend. It is not finished. Security group is still. See, here is what it is doing, destroying and trying to create. Both persons are trying to destroying and creating. Okay, what I may do is manually delete it. Manually delete it. What happens will observe. Once it is terminated, clear filter. Now not stopped. Shutting down, not terminating. Refresh. Yes, terminated. Again, we try to apply. Here, Control C. Yes. Now Terraform apply. Here is also I apply Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Okay. Here I am giving yes. Within seconds, even I am typing yes. See, enter here. Here also enter. What it is saying? Error. Creating ECT instance invalid. Which value is invalid? Respond anyone? VM. Virtual machine. What was the problem here? Virtual machine. VM is not identified. EC to instance. Where is the AMI data source? This is okay, good. Everything is fine. I understood. I understood. It doesn't know. It doesn't know. How it doesn't know? Instance type. Data dot AWS AMI dot Amazon Linux. Correct only. Data dot AWS dot Amazon. Yeah, same thing is the same. AWS AMI dot AMZ Linux. Same thing we provided. AWS AMI dot correct only, right? Data dot AWS underscore AMI. What is the name here? Data dot data dot AWS AMI dot AMZ Linux dot ID. I think I am not wrong. File, save. Only one person trying to create Terraform in it. Now Terraform apply. Terraform APP apply. Otherwise, we'll go and get it. Now we are giving confirmation yes. Check it. It is not able to create it. Now what happens here? Do you want to perform the action? Yes, it is creating. Check it here. Yes, it is creating. But what it is saying? Status code 400 required ID. Even morning have you seen, right? Morning have you seen or not? Morning have you seen? At that time, what will you do? There, which is having problem in resource AWS my EC2 VM. My EC2 VM. Okay, even this one I may delete it. I'll go to here. There EC2, EC2, and EC2 only. Click on here. Just you go for launch instance. Launch instance. There you need to get this AMI ID. This AMI ID. Copy this. Copy this. Copy it and pasting over. The instance type simply resource AMI. This I am pasting. Control C. Control B. No, we are not wrong. This is we make it. This is my EC. My EC to file save as. Save all. Now enter it. Here enter it. There's one. Right. Control S. There is Terraform init. Now directly I will go with the Terraform apply. It is working or not, we'll check. Giving confirmation yes. Yes, some error getting. What is the error? What is the error? What is the error? Is it instance invalid? Parameters value for parameter group ID is invalid. The value cannot be empty. Which value cannot be empty? Invalid parameter values. See here, comma is there or not in group? Check it and tell me. Comma is there or not? Double quotation is mandatory or not? within the list. Double quotation is required or not? Control S. Control S coming to here. Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Now, VPC security group IDs. VPC security group IDs. What I may do, I may go with the default security group. Default security group. Here, see, I may go with in this way. Underscore. Here is security group. Security group. SECU. Security groups. Now observe here. Security groups. Here I may provide square bracket. Within that, I may provide security group name. Any one security group. Any one security group. I think in my system SG, something one group name is there. I have identified security group name. Security group name. They are going to EC2. They are check it in security groups. Security groups. Security group name. Somewhere SG related information is there. No. Security group name. I may go with any one security group name. Maybe I may take like this one. Security group. Copy. It will copy or not. Copy to new security group. Or otherwise, I may go with the default. Default. See here, DEFA is equal to default. Default. That's all. Control S. Control S. Now E1 file, save all already there. Now Terraform apply. Now give confirmation yes. Is it creating or not? Check it. Yes, it is creating. Our motto is not giving in one area. Both parallelly you want to execute. First, once it is create it. After creating, we will try for both sides. Parallelly, you want to execute. Once it is created, I may go for a destroy. Now see, now it is created. EC to instance public IP got it and also domain. What I may do? Terraform destroy. Terraform destroy. DSTROY. Destroy. Again, it is asking confirmation. Even here, at least wait. Here I may give. Here also I may give Terraform destroy. Terraform, FORM, Here is also it is asking without log. It may ask. Is it asking or not? Here I may give yes. Here also I may give yes. I'll try for both. It is also try. It is also try. Now check it what happened. That is also destroying. Here it is also trying for destroy. Such type of scenario, how to avoid? This is our intention. Such type of scenario, how to avoid? You don't want to execute parallel. You don't want to execute parallel. Here destroy complete, resource one destroy. Here also destroy complete, resource one destroy. Already either this person or this fellow already destroyed. Again what it is doing? Again it is destroy. Just like a second opinion. We don't want this one. For that we need to go and do small task. What is that? Go to here. I may take one duplicate copy. Duplicate here. DynamoDB. 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 Managed NoSQL. NoSQL database. NoSQL means not only SQL database. You try to remember that. Many people may feel NoSQL means there is no SQL. Create table. Create table. See table name. Maybe I am giving Kishore. KISH or a Kishore. Just here is see. Here is it apply. LOCK log. lock ID, lock ID. In this way, you need to apply lock ID. Primary. Here, partition key. Partition means primary. The partition key is part of the table's primary. Yes, lock ID. That's all. You no need to enter anything. Simply create table. If I am not wrong, it will create a table. It is create. It is create. L capital, ID capital. L capital, ID capital. Once it is created, you will try to copy that. It will provide one table name. The table name, I think Kishore table name, right? Let's click here, click here. Here no need to provide anything. You need to provide only table name. Only table. What is the table name? Kishore. What is the table name? Kishore. Go to versions. There observe DynamoDB table. DynamoDB table. This line you copy it. This line you copy it. Control C, copy where you want to paste it within S3. Within S3. Backend S3 is there, right? There you need to provide B. DynamoDB table. What is the table name? Just Kishore. Just Kishore. KISHOR. Just save it. File. Save all. After this, again apply Terraform. Apply. Just stars. What happens? What happens? Terraform apply. Something is giving error message. Change the backend. What it is saying? Terraform init. Terraform init. See. Terraform init reconfigure. Terraform init hyphen reconfigure. Terraform init hyphen reconfigure. FIGUR. Even here also we try to apply this Terraform init hyphen reconfigure. FIGUR. Our main motto is what? Terraform apply only. Terraform APPLY apply. It may ask confirmation, approval. Technical word is, it is asking approval. See, approval. Here also I am trying for Terraform apply. Again it is asking approval. Here you can see the difference. I think something, what it is saying, giving something. What it is giving, desktop, operation type. What is the problem? Version something. Terraform apply. TRRA. TERRAF1 Terraform APPLY apply. Here it is asking, okay. Are you getting any extra information? I think already locked, right? That's why you may not get your original thing. Where is that? You want to see the information. See, error require acquiring the state lock. See, this is the main thing. Error message, conditional checking failed, exception. The conditional request failed. Lock info. Is it locked or not? Observe. Here he is trying. Once he completes its work, then only it will accept. Just like washroom. You may enter. When will you come? Once everything is complete, again you come, again someone will enter into that same process. Why it is locking? Why it is locking? There we applied DynamoDB locking mechanism. Dynamo. See, it is locked, right? It is locked. We'll go and check it in DynamoDB. What happens in DynamoDB? Just I am going to here. There in DynamoDB, just refresh it. Just refresh it. Now just click on Kishore. There you may get one ID. Where is that ID? Where is that ID? Explore table item. Explore. Want to see tables? Again, you are clicking here. There information is there. Where is that information? Information. It will show one lengthy word. Where is that? Explore table item. I think here it is there. Yeah, see here. Are you observe Terraform bucket name. Terraform DevOps. Where it is storing. Everybody observing or not? Anyone respond? Have identified or not? Tell me. Terraform, DevOps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dev Terraform.tf is locked. That's why no one can execute parallel. No one can execute parallel. Have you understood or not? This is total Terraform concept. This is the high-end concept. This is the high-end concept. Here again I am telling what is the interview question? What is the interview question? How do you How do you apply for locking mechanism? By using which concept? By using
DynamoDB.
DynamoDB table concept. What is the keyword you can apply for? What is the keyword? What is the keyword? LOCK lock ID. This is nothing but primary key. Key. Primary key. Once you apply it, then you can create a table. Once table is got created, that table name you are passing. How to pass here? Dynamo, Dynamo, Dynamo VB underscore table is equal to maybe whatever. Here I used Kishore, but in real time we won't use names, right? General names. General names we won't use. Here for easy understanding, I use this the Dynamo DB table. Even we can use state log table. State log. State hyphen log hyphen table. State log table. Got it or not? In this way we can apply it. Here anybody facing any difficulty, try to observe. Now we'll go for the general commands related to which one? Uh, that is the Terraform.state file. Terraform.state file. Now check it and tell me in local. Now first we will go to bucket. In bucket, yesterday we have seen we are going to where is that bucket? Here S3 bucket. I am going to S. Save information in our local system. Are you having or not? We'll check it. This is S3 bucket. Here this is our bucket, right? DevOps, this is not the right one. This is the right one. Yes, this is the right one. Now here, where is that uploaded? Where is that buckets? Which is our bucket? Terraform DevOps. This one, I think, right? This one. Here, see? Yes, Dev. Now, now I want to see this information. I want to see this information. Now check it. I think yesterday we converted log. How can you get access? How can you get access? We'll go to one step back, select this file and go to actions. There public, make public. Once we convert into public, again go to here. Now select this. Now click once. This URL click once. What it? Which information is there? Resource got created or not? Created information you want to see. Created information means you need to get which information? That resource creation information. I think not there. What is the problem? Something goes wrong. You want to see all the information. Just have we applied or test tried? I think only we applied, right? Only we applied. Go to this one. First refresh it. I think refresh it. Where is the refresh? Here is the refresh. Now just versioning. What is the latest one? This is only the latest. This is only the latest. Top one is the latest. Even see the timing 20 40 02 20 40 04. Now click here. I want to see total information. Only less information is there. Here is the any line is okay. Once again you may create it. Once again you may create it. There I may go to here. See, everybody observe. Only yes will be. We didn't give yes. Now it will create. Now check it. Till now not created. Even though not created, someone is trying. Already someone is tried. That's why I locked it. It is saying now resource is creating. Everybody observe. Now resource is creating. This is important. Here automatically create, right? Now we are going to S3 bucket. Now refresh it. Now refresh it, or otherwise come one step back and refresh it. One step back, just refresh it. We'll try for. I think the resource is finished. Yes, it is finished. Now we'll go for here. Click on here just to see the information. No, nothing is there. Why? Why? We need to get. We need to get. We will get information. Why we didn't get Terraform providers Terraform.tf state. This is okay here. Now Terraform DevOps bucket is there, everything. We need to see which information that EC to instance information. See, we'll check it EC to instance got created or not, at least instance got created or not. Where I am going to here, when I am taking no duplicate copy, just we go for EC2, yes, it is running. Yes, this information, my EC2 I given, right? This information we need to get. Okay, command wise I may try it. See how to get command wise. Here is Terraform. Where is the CLS? Terraform state list. Terraform state list. At least here it is there or not. See AWS underscore instance dot my EC2 VM. AWS instance dot my EC2 VM. This information we need to see there. Anyway, I think it is not showing, or are you getting or not? We'll check it. This information we need to check it. Control C, copy. There I am going to terraform.tf, assume. This is the terraform.tf. There control F, find, control V, paste it. Actually, I need to get this. Not showing anything, not showing. In the same way, that information I want to get here also. Where I want to get? Here. Go to here. Just refresh it. Buckets. Which bucket? Our bucket name is Terraform DevOps 12345. Even refresh it. Terraform DevOps 12345. There I may go for dev. Within this, I may select this. There I am. Before going to this, I think already make as public. Make public. Once it is public, going to dev. Reselect this. Click on here. Now just run it. Just run it. Now see, now everybody check it here. Are you getting full length information or not? Anyone respond? Is it okay for you? See full length information. Here control F, There, control B, press enter. Here check it, such information must be there, such related information. AWS underscore instance dot myec to VM. Where is that? Must be there. EC2 public DNS resources manage AWS underscore instance. See here, observe AWS underscore instance. This is matching or not? Observe and tell me. Is it matching or not? Matching. Next, my EC2 VM. See, check it here. What is the name here? My EC2 VM. Is it clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
Yes, good. Now, now suppose you want to remove that. You want to remove. Some commands are there. I'll go with uh, Terraform state related commands. For your clarification, these are also asking in interview. Terraform, Terraform, Terraform cheat sheet. Terraform cheat sheet. Terraform CLI commands. Only state related. Where is the state related? If it is there, we'll go for that. Otherwise, we'll go with other. Terraform state manipulation. See, this is very, very, very important. These commands. At least we can use Terraform state list. Am I applied or not? Suppose one VPC got created, an instance got created. Like that, every resource information it will provide. Terraform state list. Already I applied or not? Observe, list all resources in the state file. Once again, I am applying for your clarity. Terraform, I am taking only one. I don't want both. One I may remove. Kill. Now. Terraform, Terraform state list. Here is Control C, CLS, Terraform, Terraform state list. Here, how many resources are available? Only one resource. Only one resource. Quickly, we can apply one VPC. Quickly, we can apply one VPC. Anyone can guide me? How can I apply quickly one VPC? There, I am go with here. Resource, a resource respond, AWS underscore VPC, the name of the VPC. Here I am giving my VPC, my underscore VPC. Now, what are the requirements here? I think you know. Two things only we need to provide. One is the CIDR block. CIDR block. Tell me here. Double quotation 1.2.3.0 .0 by 24 by 24. The best browser is 1.2.0.0 by 20. One more thing is what? Default default DFAUL DFAUL tenancy you need to get. Okay, leave it. Even that will take care automatically. Now this is sufficient, but a tax you need to pass that name, right? Curly brace. Now guide me here. Name. That name is, it is my underscore TPC. Just I created one way. Control yes. My intention is, already resource got created, right? Resource got created. What happens? That will remove it and recreate it. Remove it, that's okay, anyway, no problem. Terraform, Terraform upload. Terraform upload. At least two resources will be there. It may show you one to destroy, two to see. 1 to add, 0 to change. I think I did. Did I save or not? I saved, right? File. Yes, save. Actually, two resources are creating. Anyway, we'll check it. Only that is existing, right? Already created, right? That's why it is not touching. No problem. Now see Terraform state list. Now check it. How many are there? This is important. This is one resource. This is one other resource. This is my intention. Like that, in real time, hundreds of resources will visible. Hundreds of resources are visible. This is the way of procedure. Terraform state list. This statement is clear or not? Tell me. We'll go for some other statement. This is clear or not? You want to see specific resource details. Terraform state list. After that, you want to provide specific resource name. Terraform state list. After that, this details you want to see or this details you want to see. Maybe assume my VPC details I want to see. Copy this and paste it over here. Control. Enter it. See what are the details I have to get it. My VPC, AWS underscore VPC. Here nothing is there. Now we'll go for some other way that is trying to apply for. Now just you go for here. Where is that? Another one. This one. If it is not giving this information, I may try to import the state file. I may try to import the state file where that is available at on remote desktop. One more command is that terraform. What is that? Only enter. There one command is the terraform pull is there. Check it here. Terraform pull. Where is that? Pull command. Is there or not? Pull command. Check it and tell me. Terraform state, advanced state management. Commands are, I want to see all the commands. Terraform state is there. Test is there. Version is there. What about remaining commands? Console, format, force unlock, get install or upgrade. Remote Terraform modules. This is the module. I want to get state file. Terraform state refresh update providers. Okay, the command is not visible for me. Maybe some other way is there. Okay, anyway, no problem. What I may do is I may do small modification to that. Within the providers, within the providers, there I may remove first MongoDB. Even I may remove this info, these details. Backend. There I am playing. Yes. Okay, there I am giving start. I am not storing on backend. I am storing in local. I am storing in local. I am storing in local. Any missing? Any missed thing is there? Any missing? Or else I think these things not required. All these things are not required. Simply what it is there? Our information only there. All are unnecessary. Now control yes, because of you want to see proper things. Now what I may do after this, go to file, already save all is there. Go to here, terminal, there new terminal. Now Terraform init once again apply. Now anything missing, backend configuration changed. At that time, what will you do? Hyphen reconfigure. FIGUR. Then only it will download which one? Plugin. Now Terraform apply. APP apply. Now anything goes wrong, Terraform init with either the reconfig or migrate state flag are used to current configuration. Terraform apply already. Terraform init already applied, right? Init hyphen migrate state. Back and enter yes to copy and to start that the empty storage. Yes. Now Terraform apply. Terraform validate Terraform Terrafo Terraform APP. What is the problem? Spelling mistake? Spelling mistake. Terra Terraform. Now properly created. See, 0 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy, no problem. Now check the Terraform state file. Terraform state file. What it is having. This is important. What it is having. Full length information is there, only limited data is there. Full length or limited. What I may go is first Terraform destroy. DSTR destroy. Is it destroyed or Terraform DSTR? It will ask confirmation. Any spelling mistake? TRRAFR DSTROY destroy. I want to get local state, then only we can see clear information. Otherwise, we won't see. That is the problem. That is my intention. Yes, for every output, you need to see. Your understanding is very simple. If I explain also, you can understand. But my intention, I want to show you that clear values. I may complete with maybe within 5 minutes. Here, how many of you practicing parallelly Terraform? Now we go for Terraform apply. APP. Now state file we create properly. Yes. You need to see two resources are available within Terraform state file. That is my intention. Yes, it is created. Now you refresh it and check it. Yeah, refresh. Okay, Terraform TS. Really, those information is there or not? Terraform provider. How to refresh it? How to refresh? See, file. I want to refresh. Close this. I want to close and reopen. Close and reopen. This one. This one you need to close. How do I close this? How do I close this? Here. Again here. Again here. Now try to reopen. Where is that information? Is it visible for us? I think two resources got created, right? That information here is not showing. Close it. Close it. Terraform dot tf state. What I may do is I may go for right click, delete this. A1 right click, delete this. A1 right click, delete this. Right click, delete this. Yes. Even this to also delete. Everything is deleted. Final conclusion I am giving. Go to terminal. New terminal. There Terraform init. Terraform init. State information you need to see. Tomorrow we'll continue those commands. First, at least we'll see state file is available in providers. I think that information, nothing is there. Yes, everything is fine for us. Once it is completed and apply, Terraform apply, it may create a resource within a minute. Yes, giving 0 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Already resource is there. Resource is there. Terraform destroy. Terraform dstro destroy. Spelling mistake dstroy. Yes, confirmation. Terraform is agnostic to same resource already existing. It won't touch. IDM potent. You know the word. IDM potent means it won't touch the existing resource once already created. That's why your state file is not properly created. Finally, I'm apply Terraform apply. Yes. Yes, two resources are creating properly. Once it is finished, you may get here one state terraform.tf state. See terraform.tf state. Here you check it. Now check it. Now check it. Are you getting or not? Now observe. Tomorrow we'll continue with this. Is it clear or not? Everything is there. Total resource information. We need much such patience. I hope my way I provided for it. Okay, thank you. Remaining things we'll see tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning our class will be 7 a.m. only. 7 a.m. Got it?
Okay.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.